the base of living cells. The maximum amount of protein remain in the tissue of body. Beside this, protein is also found in blood, secretion of endocrine gland, bones, teeth and delicate tissue. If water is extracted from the body, the maximum percentage of protein is left out in the body. Protein is the compound which is formed by combination of oxygen, carbon and hydrogen and nitrogen. Among energy producing food substances, protein is the only constituent in which chemical elements of nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are found. That is why protein is also called nitrogenous food. Our physical growth and development will be retarded if we take less amount of protein in our food. Along this, protein also plays an important role in mental development of individual. Source of protein. From the point of view of source, protein can be divided into two categories: animal protein and vegetable protein. Animal protein. The protein which we get from animal product is called animal protein. Vegetable protein. The protein which we get from vegetable is called vegetable protein. Vegetable protein is usually found in various types of pulses: soybean, mustard, groundnut, dry fruits and food grains. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is also essential nutritive component of food. Carbohydrate is also a compound which is formed by chemical composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate acts like fuel in our body. Carbohydrate provides energy. We also need carbohydrate for the formation of fats. The individual who perform hard work need maximum amount of carbohydrate. If excess amount of carbohydrate is taken in food by an individual, it always changes into fats. Then after it is accumulated in the fatty tissues. Due to lack of carbohydrate in body, the weight of individual become less, the skin become loose and wrinkles start appearing on the face. The individual becomes lean and thin. On the other hand, if individual takes much amount of carbohydrates, his body weight start increasing. He feels high temperature. In such condition, an individual becomes lethargic. Sources of carbohydrate. Generally, carbohydrate is found in rice, maize, jowar, bajra, pulses, gram, dry pea, date, that is khajur, what we say, and grapes, potato, banana, good and sugar, etc. Fats. Fat is also essential and nutritive component of food. Fat is also a compound. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Fats provide heat and energy